Hi guys, we're going to do just a fun little number game. So what I want you to do is get a pencil and a sheet of paper, and I will give you a number. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the number 86. And what I want you to do is I want you to write 86 over on the edge of your paper, like that. And then I'm going to give you instructions step by step. And I want you to follow the instructions. It's kind of going to be like Simon Says, but they're all going to be Simon Says. So I'm not going to say Simon Says every time. So that was your first step, was to write the number 86. Now your second step will be to count backward 5 numbers. And I want you to write that new number over under your first number. I'm going to give you just a few seconds to do that. And then, you can always stop the video and rewatch. So if you get behind, don't feel bad. So number 3, count forward 3 numbers and write that number. Number 4, count backward 8 numbers and then forward 2 numbers. So you're going to go backward 8 and forward 2. Okay, number 5, count forward 9 numbers. So count forward 9 numbers, and be sure each time you write your new number. Okay, number 6, count backward 8 numbers and then count backward another 6 numbers. So go backward 8 and then backward another 6. So then number 7, count forward 3 numbers and then forward 7 more numbers. So you're going to go forward 3, forward 7, and write that number. And then number 8, I want you to underline the new number that you have. So what is your new number? And it should be 83. And we'll go over how we got to 83 in case you got something different. So we started with 86, and then we counted backward 5 numbers. So 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. And then we counted forward 3 numbers. So from 81, forward 3 numbers, we're going to get 84, because you have 82, 83, 84. And then on the 4th step, we counted backward 8 numbers. So from 84, backward 8 numbers. So you have 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, and then forward 2 numbers. So from 76 forward 2 numbers, 77, 78. That one was kind of tricky. And then number 5, count forward 9. So from 78 forward 9 is 87. And you should know that one pretty easy, because 78 plus 10 would have been 88. So plus 9 would have just been 1 less. So 87. And number 6, count backward 8. So from 87, count backward 8. And then count backward 6 more. And you should have came up with 73. And then on your final step, you were going to count forward 3 and then forward 7 more, which is what? Forward 10, right? So 73, You're going to end up with 83, and then your final step was to underline your new number. So you should have 83, and you should have it underlined. So that's just a quick little exercise to practice your addition and subtraction skills. And you can practice it with, change the first number you started with. If you want to use the same steps, just change your first number and go through and see what you come up with at the end. And just keep practicing your addition and your subtraction skills. And look for little things that help you just know something. Like if you have 15 and you add 9 to it, you know that's 24, because if you were going to add 10 to it, it would have been what? 25. So adding 9 is just one less than that. So if you remember little shortcuts like that, it makes your addition and subtraction so much easier. So get your paper and pencil out and practice doing a few of these, and practice with your siblings or with your parents or someone, and see if you can stump them.